Are you a car enthusiast and Lamborghini fan? Want to see the evolution of one of the most iconic supercar brands in the world? Then make sure to tune into our upcoming video, where we'll take a look at Lamborghini's journey from its humble beginnings to the cutting-edge supercars of today. From the classic Miura to the futuristic Shan, we will cover it all. Lamborghini is a luxury sports car manufacturer based in Italy. The company was founded in 1963 by Ferruccio Lamborghini, a successful businessman who was frustrated with the poor quality of sports cars he owned. He decided to create his own luxury sports car brand, and thus Lamborghini was born. The company was officially established in 1963, with its headquarters located in Sant'Agata, Bologna, Italy. The early years of Lamborghini were marked by the release of the 350 GT, the company's first production car. The 350 GT was powered by a 3.5-liter V12 engine that produced a whopping 280 horsepower, which was quite impressive for its time. The car had a top speed of around 250 kilometers per hour, which was also quite impressive for the era. The 350 GT was designed by Carrozzeria Touring, which was a renowned Italian coach builder at the time. The car featured a sleek, aerodynamic body with a long hood and short deck. The body was made of aluminum, which helped to keep the weight down and improve performance. The car also featured a 5-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel independent suspension. This car was well received by critics and the public alike, and it set the tone for the company's future success. The 350 GT was followed by the 400 GT and the Miura, both of which were also critically acclaimed. In the 1970s, Lamborghini released the Countach, which would go on to become one of the company's most iconic models. The Countach's design was revolutionary, with its sharp lines, low profile, and scissor doors that open upward, making it an instant hit with car enthusiasts around the world. It was powered by a V12 engine that produced an astonishing 455 horsepower, which made it one of the most powerful cars of its time, capable of reaching speeds of up to 185 miles per hour. The car's aerodynamic design and advanced suspension system also made it a joy to drive, with excellent handling and stability on the road. The company also released the Urraco and the Silhouette during this decade. The 1980s saw the release of the Jalpa, which was a more affordable option for Lamborghini buyers. It was the successor to the popular Lamborghini Urraco and was designed to be more affordable and accessible to a wider range of customers. The Jalpa was powered by a 3.5-liter V8 engine that produced 255 horsepower and could propel the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. This engine was paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that gave drivers complete control over the car's performance. The Jalpa was widely praised for its handling and performance, as well as its striking design. However, production of the car was limited, with only 410 units produced during its 7-year production run. Despite this, the Jalpa remains a highly sought-after and collectible car, with many enthusiasts considering it to be one of the most undervalued Lamborghini models of all time. The company also released the LM002, a luxury SUV that was designed to compete with the likes of the Ferrari and the Porsche. However, this model didn't perform as well as expected and was only produced for a few years. The 1990s, Lamborghini released the Diablo, which was an evolution to the Countach. The Diablo featured a more powerful engine and a more aerodynamic design. The company also released the Murcielago, which was the first all-new Lamborghini model to be released in over a decade. This iconic supercar was first introduced in 2001 and quickly became one of the most sought-after vehicles on the market. With its sleek, aerodynamic lines, powerful engine, and advanced technology, the Murcielago is a true work of art. The heart of the Murcielago is its 6.2-liter V12 engine, which produces an astounding 631 horsepower and 487 pound-feet of torque. This incredible power is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, which allows the driver to fully experience the thrill of driving a supercar. The Murcielago can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds and has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Over the years, Lamborghini has faced its fair share of challenges, including financial difficulties and changes in ownership. But through it all, the company has remained committed to producing cars that are not only fast and powerful, but also beautiful and innovative. The 2000s marked a turning point for Lamborghini, as the company was acquired by the Volkswagen Group. Under Volkswagen's ownership, Lamborghini invested heavily in new technology and design. The company released the Gallardo, which was the first Lamborghini to be produced in large numbers. The Gallardo, named after a breed of fighting bull, is a testament to the Italian automaker's commitment to producing some of the most powerful and visually stunning cars in the world. The Gallardo's design is nothing short of breathtaking. The car's sleek lines and aggressive stance are sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The car's low profile and wide stance make it clear that this is a car that is meant to be driven fast. The Gallardo's aerodynamic design not only looks great, but also helps to keep the car stable at high speeds. Under the hood, the Gallardo is powered by a V10 engine that produces an impressive 562 horsepower. This power is sent to all four wheels through a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automated manual transmission. With this kind of power, the Gallardo can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds and reach a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. The Gallardo was a huge success and helped to establish Lamborghini as a major player in the luxury sports car market. In 2011, Lamborghini released the Aventador, which replaced the Murcielago as the company's flagship model and is considered one of the most iconic cars in the world. This supercar is the epitome of luxury and performance with its sleek lines and powerful V12 engine. One of the most striking features of the Aventador is its design. The car is built with a Monaco Q carbon fiber frame, which is not only lightweight but also extremely strong. The body is made of lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, which gives the car a sleek and aerodynamic look. The car also features scissor doors, which are a signature feature of Lamborghini cars. Under the hood, the Aventador is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 730 horsepower and 509 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed automated manual transmission, which allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds. The car also has a top speed of 217 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars on the road. It was well received by critics and the public alike and helped cement Lamborghini's reputation as a leader in the luxury sports car market. In recent years, Lamborghini has continued to release new models and update existing ones. The company released the Huracan in 2014, which was a more affordable option for buyers, and an updated version of the Aventador named the Aventador S. In 2018, the company released the Urus, which is a luxury SUV, becoming the first Lamborghini SUV to be produced since the LM002. In 2020, Lamborghini introduced the Shawn, which is a hybrid supercar, marking the first time the company has produced a hybrid model. The Shawn is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 785 horsepower, and it also features a 48-volt electric motor that adds an additional 34 horsepower to the mix. This hybrid powertrain allows the Shawn to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds and has a top speed of over 217 mph. One of the most unique features of the Shawn is its hybrid powertrain. The car features a 48-volt electric motor that adds an additional 34 horsepower to the mix. This electric motor is used to power the car's low-speed driving, and it also provides a boost to the V12 engine when needed. This allows the Shawn to be incredibly efficient, while still providing the performance that Lamborghini is known for. Overall, Lamborghini has had a storied history marked by a commitment to producing powerful, luxury sports cars. The company's cars are known for their sleek designs, powerful engines, and high-performance capabilities. Despite facing challenges over the years, Lamborghini has remained an iconic brand in the world of luxury sports cars. With a new era of hybrid technology and the launch of a new SUV, Lamborghini continues to innovate and evolve, keeping its standards high as always. Thank you for watching our video on the evolution of Lamborghini. From the iconic Miura to the sleek Aventador, Lamborghini has truly pushed the boundaries of automotive design and engineering. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history and development of these incredible supercars. For more videos like this, click on the links you see on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cars and motoring. Until next time, stay tuned for more from Lamborghini and the world of high-performance automobiles.